Pencil drawing classes near me. In this lesson, you will learn step by step how to draw an emperor penguin with a pencil. Penguins are birds, only they cannot fly. They live in coastal waters from the Galapagos Islands to Antarctica. The emperor penguin is the largest of all penguin species. Males can be distinguished from females by size, as males are taller and heavier, 130 centimeters and 40 kilograms, and females are 115 centimeters tall and weigh 30 kilograms. Emperor penguins, like all penguins, eat fish and crustaceans. They hunt in packs, moving at an average speed of 4 kilometers per hour in water. Penguins live in large groups on ice floes near the water. If they are freezing, they are pressed to each other, and it becomes very warm inside, even if the ambient temperature is for example, minus 20 degrees Celsius. Their eyesight is very well adapted to see in the water.